What's this one, baby girl?
Tea?
Tea. Do you want some tea? Okay.
Bless Tita.
Bless Tita. Uy. Good girl. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. It is Saturday, guys, and we are going out. Say good morning. Oi. Oi.
Hi.
How's this gabot, guys? Good morning, honey. Do you want to say good morning, baby girl? No. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Give a flying kiss. Flying kiss. Oh, you kiss the puppy.
Bless Tita.
Bless Tita. Bless Tita, be?
Bless Tita.
Shh. Honey?
Bless Tita.
Hey.
Good girl.
Good girl. So yeah, guys, we're going to the city, guys. We're going to commute because I just want to actually rest from driving, guys. So we'll take you with us. I'm going to my appointment, and then we're gonna go find like a birthday gift for our friend's first birthday, friend's daughter's first birthday. So yeah, we'll take you with us, guys. See you soon. So guys, we changed our mind. We decided to just drive instead of commute, guys, because I don't know, everyone's lazy to walk. Everyone's lazy. Hey, lazy people back there.
I'm so sleepy.
So yeah, guys, instead of actually, you know, catching the train, we are driving, guys. So I think what, maybe drive to the city will take 30 minutes mark, or maybe less. Yeah, guys. So I'll just pay for the parking, guys, instead of, like, you know, getting a ticket for a train. So it works out, you know, same. So yeah, let's go. We're in the city now, guys. We're currently in Emporium. Everything half price. Wow.
Everything one half price.
So guys, we're going to my appointment now. It's not until 12:50, but we'll just start walking there. Hello.
Window shopping.
So yeah guys, it's pretty cold today, so that's why we've got a really thick coat with me. And Mimi's got a jacket on. It's pretty windy too. You like honey? Come on, let's go. The bells. Let's go have a look inside. One look. We're here now guys for my appointment. And yeah, this appointment's only gonna take 30 minutes guys, so it will be so quick. What's this one, baby girl?
Tea?
Tea. Do you want some tea? Okay.
Bless Tita.
Bless Tita. Uy. Good girl.
How long?
What's it?
14 minutes.
14.
40.
40. Oh, okay. So just like this in 40 minutes and then that's it, yeah?
That's it, yeah.
So it's just the machine doing a job. Mama's finally. Yeah. Maybe just add milk. You can? Okay, hindi niya pawiran sa akong phone. I'm just done with my appointment, guys. So we're going to meet Daddy now. Isn't that right, honey? So what I've done, guys, was what they call lipolysis or lipolysis. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but that's what I've done. And if you have any questions about that treatment, guys, let me know, and I probably make a video just for that treatment. But yeah, here we are. Hi, honey. See? This way. Hey, this way. This way. Wait. Shh. Guys, just gonna find something to eat now. Brother's got this, I don't know what it is, but it's vegetables. So I'm just gonna go to the Indonesian, that one there. What's the name? Yes, baby. So guys, this is what we ordered. rice, and then there's actually fish, that one there, and then coconut water, and then Coke. So yeah. Hi, sweetie. Daja? Daja? Dragon.
Tita po, tita. Good girl, honey.
Mommy? Mommy? Yay! So our food is here, guys. We've got fried fish and rice and then the soup. That's about it. Bon appetit. Honey! Mom, what's this?
What's that? Hey?
Yeah, Paris. Hi, how are you? I've got these contact lens here, and I wanted like a different tail, but still natural. Yeah. Oh, I think this is like a beige. Well, even like this one is beige, but actually like, I like it because it's not very, like it's not too, I don't know, crazy out there that I'm wearing contact lens. But yeah, have you got anything that you can recommend? Baby girl, baby girl. Paris, Nicole. Nicole. Bali-bali. And you know what? Get cash natin. Cash na rabatanan sa food screen. Yeah. Don't worry about the receipt. Thank you very much. Thank you. Guys, have a look at this, guys. I just bought a pair of contact lenses. See? What I'm wearing right now, guys, is very natural looking, so I wanted very similar to it. So yeah, look at this. Oh, they don't have that anymore.
This one?
City nanti.
No, is it that? Is it this one?
What's this one?
Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
I think it's different from what I bought online. Is this the eyebrow?
Yeah, eyebrow
Yeah.
pencils.
What about?
I think it's different, no?
What color are you looking
Basta yung packaging lang na.
I think not the dark brown, just the soft brown.
Yeah, we have a light brown. You want to try?
I think they're way too light. Okay, no, I think that'll be too light. What's the next one?
Gray brown. For you, I think it's brown. brown color.
I think that's the one. Yeah?
Yeah, it's very similar to the one you're wearing now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'll grab one of that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, we're currently in Footscray Market now. We're just gonna grab some Filipino food. Aston. Dahil tao magpapangita. Ano lang bangus tayo? Hello! Hi lang, ting hi. Hi! Na-hi vlog. Hello, good morning.
Hala, good morning pa siya. Bago pa mong gulo ng mata mo ate.
Asa di bugikan?
Sa city. Nagjurak-jurak.
Nakakatulog na ako. 1858. Muli sa Japan.
Munit, guys! Mga niyan, tagiyan na rin guys. Sa itong Pinoy, guwapa ka guys.
Ay, kalendar. Kasi baka may kalendar sa iyong bagay.
Dabaw, guwapa.
Uy, na, pagbalik yan, dala na yan siya pagmangkong.
Ikaw na, Tim?
Pwede ba, di ba?
Si mga sa lugar.
Malit sila gimat eh. Namit mo gimat?
Malit niya.
Ano sila gipalit pakwa? Ano yung pakwa? Oh, gipasil ko. Kura lang mo do. Gipasil lang ko. Ano do? Basta kamay na lang.
So guys, we are finally home. We've done so much today. And yeah, I'm glad to be home actually, and just, you know, we have to get ready now because we have our friends visiting tonight, and we're gonna have some dinner here at home, so that will be really cool. But yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video guys. I appreciate your time as always, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.